Nagiteo kinene jitekiria ngoroge kunyitoge nigo kwa Muthingi TV Gikunjuro gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa umuthi tariki ari ni kenda mweri wa gatatu mwaka wa 2024 irora kiri muthi wa gukungwira thiku ya atumia guothe ethi ngima ngakihoka ati thiku yaku ya ira niragikwagirire uria oho haria uri na muthenya o wothe rikoragwo muthenya wa gukungwira atumia wagetindo kigari uria amwe tukuhareirie ripoti kuma county tiganite guku bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya nginyagia ripoti kuma nja wa itoka cia bũrũri tukorokio nginya ripoti cia mathako ni maingĩ maria tugikuhareirie Gikunjuro-inĩ gĩkĩ gitu kia mohoro ngũririkania ati turamemerekia emwe kwa emwe nenda-inĩ citũ ciothe cia ũkinyanĩria wa thĩ kũrĩa mwena wa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV wagĩikũrũka mwena wa YouTube na kuo gũtukora @Muthingi TV na nĩngĩikara gĩtĩ gĩkĩ kĩa ũmemerekia hĩndĩ ciothe njĩtĩkaga wa Kimania tokea mwaho wa Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga ni ariotio ni amwe abunge a kiama kia ODM gukorwo akieheria utetini wa thirikari nene kaimana riria agithie na mbere kuhuranira giturwa kia muikariri giti wa urumwe wa mabũrũri ma Africa AU na kuria atongoria aya amwe abunge maugite ati ihinda riu ni ikinyu hari kiama giki kia ODM gukorwo gikihandite ni riboti ira iragituhingũra Gikunjuro kia mohoro muthenya wa umuthi.
If there's any time that ODM need to restrain itself, is this time. Because our party leader is going to be the AU chairperson. I believe, I'm convinced, he has the competence and competencies that are requisite for that position. I also know that the President of the Republic of Kenya has put his foot down to support him so that he's a chairperson in Ethiopia. But let me repeat, for avoidance of doubt, while we are looking votes for our party leader, we ask him to pull back and leave politics to us for now. I know that yesterday he made a decision that is going to transfer leadership. If he wins the position, he will transfer leadership to Paranya and Juro. I repeat, for a fourth time, in April election, when elections are called, I'm going to vie as the Secretary General of ODM. Because I want ODM to have discipline. I want ODM to have order. I want ODM to prepare itself to form government in 2032 when I'll be vying in this country. I know the government has put his foot down on issues of alcohol. I think what is important, number one, which the government is doing, is to ensure that only licensed bars operate. Now, those manufacturing illegal alcohol that is killing our generations must be stopped at whatever cost. I watched Bishop Margaret talking this morning on social media and TV. I want to ask her as a bishop of church, restrain yourself. Restrain yourself. If the stove burns, it should burn equally. Even if it is my father who is occupying government land, I will not resist if state wants to repossess their land.
Now arutwo athukuru wa kothi cia moko wa Meru ni matafanĩtie mĩrũrũngano nĩ ũndũ ũrĩa maugĩte nĩ gĩkuũ kĩa ũmwe wao ũrĩa worekanĩte gũkorwo oragirwo na njĩra ya kĩriganĩro amwe arutwo aya makĩrũrũngana.
Enda huko.
Na tugethie na mbere ni ati ekwirwo eri ni mahithukitio na mithogoto ya bangi 67 ya muigana wa shiringi milioni 10.5 barabara-ini nene ya buna kuria kuringana na maafitha a uthuthuria ekwirwo aya eri marerekana Robert Ndigwa na Francis Muriithi maikirio ngono hindi ya firigishani ya maafitha aya a borithi kuria mahithukirio na mithogoto ino ya bangi.
Ino niyo mbica ya mithogoto ya bangi iria ikorirwe ikihithukio ni maafitha a borithi hindi ya firigishani iria ikorirwe ikitabanio barabara-ini nene ya kuma Mwea guthie Embu. Ekwirwo eri aria makorirwo makinyitwo ngono ni Robert Ndigwa na Francis Muriithi aria mauma na mithogoto ya bangi 67 ya muigana wa shiringi milioni 10.5. Ekwirwo aya eri magutwaraga ndawa ici cia kurebia kuma Mwea guthie Nairobi. Kuringana na muikari uria ni Peter Jamba, ni ataririo ria kuma na muhatikano wa ngari riria ekwirwo aya makunyitagwo. Ribotera Muthigi TV, njitagwo Wambui wa Mugo.
Na ira ari muthenya wa gukungwira muthi wa atumia guku thi ngima. Atumia kuma guku bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya ni magakorwo makihuranira iturwa hari thirikari nene ya guku bũrũri-inĩ na kuria mathingĩrĩirio kwĩingĩria hari uteti niguo gutigirira ati atongoria a atumia ni mathie na mbere gukongorwo magikongorwo guku bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya.
Haya, kwa jina naitwa Dorcas Kigera, natoka shirika linaitwa Roots Kenya ambalo linafanya kazi na wamama wa mashinani. Na kama theme ya mwaka huu wakati tuna celebrate wamama ambayo inasema ni inspire inclusion kwa wamama. Sisi ni mwito wetu kama Roots Kenya, wamama wahusishwe katika maeneo yote, wahusishwe katika development, wahusishwe katika platform, katika decision making, na ianzie pale katika nyumbani. Wahusishwe kutoka nyumbani, wahusishwe katika boards, wahusishwe katika uongozi. Na kwa mfano tumeona zile counties ambazo zinaongozwa na akina mama wanatenda mambo makuu. Mimi nikiwa mama, nikiwa nimetoka katika Nakuru County, uongozi mkuu inatoka kwa akina mama, and I can assure you and tell you tumefanya mambo makuu. Kwa hivyo ni mwito wetu ya kwamba wamama watambulike. Kwa hivyo ni mwito wetu kwa serikali ituhusishe sisi akina mama, and we are very much willing to work. Ikifika ni katika elimu, wamama waelimishwe, wasichana wetu waelimishwe, tuingie mpaka kule mashinani ambako wasichana wetu hawasomi, ambapo wametengwa. Inasemekana ya kwamba kijana ndiye anapelekwa shule, lakini ni wakati tupeleke msichana shule, msichana ajielewe, asome, kukuwe na programs kwa shule. Hata the teenage mothers, wale ambao wamepata watoto, wako na nafasi bora ya kurudi shule, sio kusema ya kwamba kwa sababu walipata watoto maisha yao imefika pale.
So I'm calling upon women even to involve themselves even in elections as pertaining even the small ones like committee ya deep, committee ya mtaa, because even those ones women are nowhere to be seen. So if you start from there, then people will start, community will start recognizing that women can also do well.
Very categorical in giving bursaries to any teenage mother who would wish to go back to school. We've not had a case of a teenage mother who would wish to go back to school, and we've known about it, and they've missed to get bursaries to go back to school. So that is one thing that the county is doing.
Mingi ambayo tunafanya activities, tunawapatia life skills counseling, na tunawafunza mambo na empowerment ambayo za generate income kama kutengeneza beadworks, sabuni, dental jigs.
Na murai witu riboti iyo niyo igukorwo igitweka mwikigago ikiria ndugathi haraya ni turacokereria na maingĩ
University of Nairobi is a distinguished institution of higher learning dedicated to nurturing your intellectual curiosity and pushing the boundaries of knowledge. From state-of-the-art laboratories to modern libraries equipped with the latest resources, we provide you with the tools you need to succeed. Choose from a wide range of programs designed to prepare you for challenges of tomorrow's world. Whether in STEM, humanities, business, or the arts, our strong industry connections and career service support will help you translate your education into meaningful career opportunities upon graduation. Join a vibrant community of scholars from around the world, fostering cultural exchange, collaboration, and lifelong friendships. Book your space now for September intakes. Log in to https://www.uonbi.ac.ke for a wide range of courses to choose from. You can also contact +254 020 491 0000 or email us at pr@ounbi.ac.ke.
Tere, mambo ni mawili, kufikisha, kumwaga na kurudi. Kulala ni mwaka mpya. Bua muka we mse.
Nini mbaya?
Wewe kwani wani vile dereva anaendesha gari vibaya, lazima tususe.
Anaendesha gari na kwa simu the whole time hata angalia barabara.
Tusimame. Wewe dereva wewe, mwaka iliyopita peke yake watu zaidi ya 3,000 walipoteza maisha yao barabarani kwa sababu ya tabia kama hizo. Hautatuangamiza tukiona.
Naomba msamaha, nitampeleka vizuri.
Si wameomba msamaha. Sasa tuende tusafiri kwa mwendo wa aste.
Dere Smart hufikisha abiria salama. Ujumbe huu umeletwa kwako na NTSA kwa ushirikiano na European Union.
Ure murimi munini na ni uravatara ngwataniro na nyumba ya mohoro ihinda ni riri amu Muthingi TV ni irakuhe mweke wa kwanirithia kimenyithia niguo ukurie biashara yaku na njira nene. Tuhurire thimu kugerera kivugo mugwanja 572 358 kana utwandikire email niyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke ukatutume ndugu na tutirithanie hamwe amu ndugu ni makinya.
Twagicokereria na riu tugithi na mbere ni ati riri thi ng'ima iragikungwagira muthi wa atumia guothe thi ng'ima na makiria guku bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya. Atumia kuma kaunti itiganite ni makorirwo magikungwirwo na njira itiganite na kuria atumia akuria mwena wa Bungoma ni marakorirwo magikungwirwo ni thibitari wa Life Care na kuria maragikorirwo makiamukira urigitani utari marihi na kuria atumia aya marathingirwo guthiaga thibitari-ini kaingi na kaingi niguo kwamukagira urigiti na gucoko hari mirimu ngurani ta mirimu ya cancer.
All the men, I wish all women a happy International Women's Day. The theme of this year is investing in women and accelerate progress. The right theme. We need to invest, and Life Care always supports investing in female education and healthcare, which will ensure in their progress.
Siku ya leo tunafurahia kwa sababu kama Life Care Hostel tumesherekea pamoja na wagonjwa wetu ambao wametutembelea siku ya leo na wale ambao pia wako nyumbani na sio wagonjwa. We also celebrate with you. We love you. Hapa kama wamama tuko na section department ya wamama ambayo inaweza saidia wamama kwa masuala ya wamama. Tuko na resident gynecologist na tuko na also visiting gynecologist. So kama mama, always make appointment with your gynecologist so that akuangalie. Hata kama hauko mgonjwa, but make sure that una keep mama wako ukiwa healthy. Make sure kwamba unatembelea daktari, una make appointment na daktari at Life Care Hospital. Tuko na panel ya gynecologist, unaweza choose any of your choice ambayo atakuhudumia.
I'm a patient at Life Care Hospital in a female ward, being undergoing some investigations, and I'm also here for further management. I'm here to represent the female women from the facility on this very specific day of the Women's Day. I'm happy, first of all, to be a woman of this world or of this country. Mainly, I'm here to encourage all the women to be more strong and to be more effective in their daily social lives.
Na kurumirira unyihu wa mai matora-ini ngurani kana county ngurani guku bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya, rĩu thirikari nene niugĩte atĩ nĩ ĩrabatara mũigana wa ciringi trilioni 1 nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ mĩciĩ yothe guku bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya nĩ yagĩkorwo ĩkĩamũkĩra mai harĩ mĩaka 6 ĩrĩa yũkĩte. Ũũ nĩ kũringana na mwandĩki mũkaru kamĩtĩ-inĩ ya kũramata mai na marĩa matũrigicĩirie Julius Korir, na kũrĩa augĩte atĩ thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza nĩ harĩirie kũnyitana na anyiti itemi othe sector-inĩ ĩno nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ mĩciĩ yothe nĩ yagĩkorwo ĩkĩamũkĩra mai matheru.
Yes, water is free. We don't know where it is made. We don't know where it comes from. But once you have collected that water and transmitted to a point of use, that process of providing that service is what is costed. And I think this is an area that we need to educate our people, that we're not selling water. We're just selling you a service of convenience, bringing water closer to where you are. So I think this, I would request the government, the governors, the county governments, and also the national government, so that we can start demystifying this myth that water is free. It is not free.
And that's the reason why the public would say, imagine ya serikali. Why? It is because you end up fighting either a donor or a civil society or the government itself goes and drill a borehole. You go do a borehole, no engagement, community just see the borehole being dug, they clap their hands, they celebrate, they are excited, start getting the water. And either the PS or myself or whoever goes and commission the water. After that, a month down the line, a breakage of something, serikali's idea.
It's no longer enough to say, oh, we need sanitation because children are dying. Okay, yes, but children are also dying from malaria and from X, Y, and Z, right? It makes a difference when we say the economic loss from not investing in sanitation in this county is 280 million Kenya shillings every year.
We knew that we are having issues of access, availability of water, safety of the water, and failure of the systems. Reason being, they are not sustainable. The way they've been implemented, there's zero sustainability models that have been considered. So through the e-water program, we are installing smart taps, prepaid smart taps. We are running a pilot in 3 areas within the county. That's Nkondi, Gekuri, and Kareni. We've clustered the villages. So there's a scoping exercise that we carried out to ensure that where we're going to have the smart taps, it's areas that we actually have population. And this is the rural areas where we are lacking, where we're having big gaps in terms of water supply.
Haya, rĩu tũingĩre kũrĩa kaunti ya Machakos gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Mwala kũrĩa atumia nĩ meyumĩrĩtie na gũkorwo makĩhĩmbĩria ũrĩmi wa njũkĩ nĩguo magĩkorwo makĩmathĩra ũboco, na kũrĩa thirikari ya kaunti ĩno hamwe na anyiti itemi nĩ makoretwo makĩambĩria mĩtaratara na tabarĩra ya gũkorwo makĩruta mataro kũrĩ arĩmi a gũkũ nĩguo gũtigĩra atĩ nĩ maigithia na nĩ mekũria harĩ biacara-inĩ ĩno.
Funds from Ford Motors in last year 2023, we launched the beekeeping project with the lead mums, and the lead mums have grouped themselves into groups. They are the custodians of the apiary. They also do the weekly cleaning and monitoring of the hives and also managing the whole apiary. Yes, they have given themselves duties. They have a duty rota whereby they visit weekly to see how the hives are going on.
Before joining this Litmum program, I was struggling to provide my family, even children, education. But through this program, I have gained knowledge, skills, and confidence. Now I can read, sew, and making hearing.
Kwa wale wanawake wanategemea waume wao, na waambia wanaweza kujitegemea wao wenyewe. Ile kazi mwanaume anaweza fanya, hata mwanamke anaweza fanya. Kulingana vile tumesoma kwa Kenya Connect, tumejua ya kwamba mwanamke ako na vitu mingi ya kufanya ndio apate pesa. Unaweza panda mboga, unaweza shona viondo, unaweza shona kamba na vitu nyingi. Kulingana na hii mzinga yetu tumeweka, tuna matarajio ya kwamba tutapata pesa. Kama ingekuwa tungefundishwa na wa Kenya Connect, atungejua tunajua kama tunaweza pata pesa kutoka kwa hiyo. Kwa hivyo kila mwanamke anaweza fanya kazi na mikono yake na kupata pesa.
Nayo mitino area ekuruhanagia atwarithia a boda boda ni ereketie guthie enyihite na gikiro kinene makiria kaunti-ini ya Machakos o ni kumana na ngwataniro njega gatagati ka atwarithia aya a boda boda hamwe na maafitha a borithi na kuria hamwe na mathomo maria makoragwo magithie na mbere gubundithio ni gugutigirira ati ni makorwo magirumirira mitaratara miega na mawatho ma barabara.
Lakini kwa ule utepetevu saa ingine ama mbio za barabarani, kutoangazia sheria za barabarani, ndipo tuliongea na base wetu bwana Kiro ambaye ndio kwa hapa katika traffic base ya Machakos. Tukakubaliana tukutane na waendeshaji wa bodaboda hapa Machakos, hasa hapa mjini, ili tuweze kuhamasisha umuhimu wa kufuata sheria za barabarani na pia kuishi kwa heshima, kuzingatia usafi wakati wako kazini, na pia mambo ya mapato hatujasahau kuyaongelea, kwa sababu biashara ni bodaboda ni biashara, na mara mingi ni lazima tukiongelea kitu chochote tuangalie mwanzo faida ambayo tunafanyia kazi ya bodaboda. Kwa hivyo kwa mafunzo ambayo tumepata kutoka kwa base yetu, rafiki yetu, mara mingi sehemu mingi unapata askari ama watu wa bodaboda ni kama maasidi na askari. Hapa Machako tunashukuru, kutoka mkubwa wao mpaka aliye mdogo kabisa ni marafiki, na siku zote hata barabarani wakati ajali zinatendeka huwa tunawaomba watueleze mwenye makosa yametokea aje, yametokea kivipi, ndio tukitoka pale tuwe tumesoma at least jambo. Kwa hivyo kila siku barabarani Machakos tunasoma, tunafundishwa na tunafurahi uhusiano wetu kati yetu na askari ambao tunafanya kazi nao katika sehemu yetu hii ya Machakos.
Keep distance, usisongelee hiyo gari iko mbele yako sana. Kama ni gari kubwa ambaye huwezi ona mbele, so usisonge karibu sana. Unaona, kuwa na space ambaye ukitaka kuovertake unaweza rudi.
The biggest thing we do, we have a good cooperation between us and the boda, the chairman, Mr. Alan Msembi, and the other group boda. We have meetings several times. We meet, we speak, we iron out the things that we require them to do, like the one that we have done today. Lazima yule ambaye ni mwendeshaji ya pikipiki ama bodaboda awe mwangalifu wakati anafanya ile joining ya highways ama junctions, kwamba akija lazima angalie kulia, angalie kushoto, angalie kulia, angalie kushoto, ili achunge usalama wake na usalama ya wale watu wamebeba na usalama pia ya wale watu ambao wanatumia barabara zetu.
Na mwira witu hau niho gukorwo gitirihira Gikunjuro gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa umuthi ndrona mundu gwitwo wa Boy Wanja wa kinjira njukire gitiki kia umemere kia amu umuthi nigo mukoragwo mukinyitarira nake tabarĩra-inĩ ya meta cia mathako no kamwira njukireirie giti giki ngatho cia mwanya makiria nigwe gwitikira gutwara na ithe kuma rĩrĩa twambĩrĩirie Gikunjuro giki nginyagia rĩu ngatho cia mwanya makiria kuri aria othe twagikorwo tukinyitarira nao kuria nenda-inĩ citũ ciothe cia ũkinyanĩria njokeria ngatho aria tukire nao gũkũ mwena wa studio aria magitigirira ati mohoro maya maitũ nĩ makorwo magĩgũkinyĩra na njĩra ĩrĩa ĩbacĩrĩrĩkĩte mambĩrĩirio nĩ producer wakwa mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Wanjirũ wa Maina. Niĩ ngũcokeria ngatho njĩtĩkaga Wairimu wa Kĩmani ngakwendithĩria weekend njega nginya rĩrĩa tũgagĩcemania oro rĩngĩ.